Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you encounter to use system restore, you must specify which Windows installation to restore. Then watch this video to fix it. Now the first solution or fix is to run the SFC scan in the command prompt. Click on run as administrator. Then enter the command sfc space slash scannow and press enter. Now I will not press enter here folks because the scan takes quite some time and I want to keep this video short for your convenience. After the SFC scan runs, then we need to input another command to rebuild the BCD, and that command is bootrec space slash rebuild BCD and press enter, and that will rebuild your BCD. After that you need to restart your computer, so go to the start button, click on the power button and then click on restart. Once it restarts, you should no longer have a problem to use system restore. So you just go to recovery, look for recovery in the search bar and then click on open system restore, and then either click on recommended restore or use a different restore point of your own, and then click on next and click on finish, and the system should be able to restore itself. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.